In this video, you will learn more about infrastructure as a service. Earlier, we briefly discussed the three types of cloud services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Of course, we have more services, but these are the most popular ones. We too had briefly touched upon the shared responsibility. Infrastructure as a service is a cloud computing model that gives users maximum control over their cloud resources. With IaaS, Azure maintains the data center's hardware, network, and physical security. At the same time, the user is responsible for everything else, including the operating system, configuration, maintenance, network configuration, database, and storage. The shared responsibility model in infrastructure as a service means that the most significant responsibility for maintaining and securing the infrastructure lies with the user, who is also responsible for configuring and managing their virtual machines, network infrastructure, and data storage. This model gives users greater flexibility and control over their resources, allowing them to customize their environment to meet their needs. Infrastructure as a service has several use cases. One use case is lift and shift migration, which involves migrating your on-premise services to the cloud with minimal effort. This approach allows you to move your existing applications and services to the cloud without modifying them significantly, reducing the risk of disruption to your business operations. Another use case is testing. With infrastructure as a service, you can quickly spin up and wind down multiple virtual machines for quick testing. It is particularly useful for development teams that must test their applications across multiple platforms and configurations. It is also an excellent choice for development environments where consistency and flexibility are critical. With it, you can provide your development teams with a consistent environment across multiple machines, allowing them to collaborate and develop applications more efficiently.